So this is the sign-in screen that you will get to. I have given you the code in order to get into the class, but here is the website. You have to go to student.freckle.com. That is in the login directions that I have given you. But right here is where you would put the class code. And since I've already been into our classroom, it kind of does a nice feature where it saves our class code. So if you want, you can just click that. Again, you have to write your name out. And remember, if you go by a nickname that you have all year, then you just use that nickname. No silly nicknames. So then it brings me into my home screen. This is going to look a little different for you all when you first sign in. You're going to kind of have 2 math pre-tests already lined up for you, but this is what it would look like after you finish those pre-tests. So right here is your user, who you are. Here's how many coins. Right now I have 75 coins. This is your home screen. This is what your home screen will always look like. This is where your assignments will be posted from me. It gives you recommendations for what to work on today. And then this is where you would set your weekly practice goal to earn rewards. So let's just set a weekly practice goal. I'm going to click set a goal, and then welcome back, Stebbins. Let's set your goal for this week. So this week, what do you want to work on? Do you want to work on questions, growing levels, which you can't do right now, or get a high accuracy, a lot of questions right? I think that I'm going to do this one. And then you pick how many questions that you want to do correctly this week, and each of these is given a reward. So if you want to do 20 times, you'll get 400 coins. So I'm just going to click that one. And then ready, set, here's your goal. This week I want to do this, so by Sunday I'll get 400 coins. Of course, you're not going to want to work over the weekend as well, so just try to get this during the school week, okay? So then my weekly goal is set. And then in order to reach your weekly goal, you just click practice, and it will take you to one of these. So you can click on either one of these, and it will start collecting those correct questions. But I'm going to go back to the home screen, and I am going to go over here. This is my balance. This is how long I've practiced math today. So today I've practiced 15 minutes. I have not done any ELA practice. You can keep earning coins and unlocking new characters. Let's go to the math screen. Again, it's this, so you click one of those. ELA, I have not started anything for ELA, but right now I only want you all to worry about math for right now. ELA will come later on in a few weeks, okay? Let's start out slow. But then this is the really cool screen that I did want to show you all. It's called My Tracker. So My Tracker, this shows me the assignments that I've completed so far. So before these 2 assignments, I did the pre-test for each of these. And now, since it has my level, I can get started on practicing those to get better in these areas. Over on the left-hand side over here, you have my assignments, which is this screen. So everything here for assignments will be listed that you can work on. Completed practice. So this is what I've gotten. You can see I got a 75% on that. But this is what I've done so far. Progress and growth is a very cool screen as well. It shows you your coin balance, time to get your next character, how many questions you've answered this week, a bar graph of how long you've practiced, and then your levels as well for each math topic that you do. The ELA I have not started yet, as you can see. But I'm going to go back up, and then I'm also going to look at this. This is a class roster, so you can see your other students in the room. Well, not in your room right now, but And you can look at their progress, how many coins. So if you want, you can all start a little competition among each other to see who can get the most coins. But it's just kind of a cool tracking tool that helps you know where you are and what you have to do. Okay? And then once you're done with everything, you just click log out. And again, you have that class code. I would really save this as a bookmark so you can easily get to it, okay? And that's just how you do it. You click the little star and you click done. All right, so that's Freckle. Please let me know if you have any questions about using the program. It's fairly easy, but I'm always here and ready to answer your questions. All right, thank you. Hopefully you liked my first video.